Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry oil filter. First, gather your tools: a wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, new oil filter, and fresh engine oil. Make sure your engine is warm but not hot to allow the old oil to drain more easily. Safely lift your vehicle and locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing underneath. Now, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring you remove as much old oil as possible. Once the oil has drained, use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old oil filter housing. Be mindful of any residual oil. Replace the old O-rings on the housing with the new ones provided with your filter. Insert the new oil filter element, then hand tighten the housing back into place, followed by a slight turn with the wrench to ensure a snug fit. After the new filter is installed, replace the drain plug securely. Now, carefully add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the oil filler cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Dispose of your old oil responsibly at a local recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.